So tired, man. Hey, what's up, man? Foxy? How you doing? Doing good? What? Oh, whatever. I'm gonna go take it down. Okay, I'm here. What do you want? I'm taking a dump, man. I had to get out the toilet. There's poop on my butt. Get out of here. Get. Oh, whatever. Oh, I'm done. Time to wash my hands. Gonna get soap. Okay, there we go. Wash my hands. Let's get out. Okay. Ow. I guess I'm eating corn dogs for breakfast. What? Don't you see I'm eating a corn dog? Yeah. Okay, what is it? Foxy, I need your help. I lost my voice box. Foxy. Oh, no wonder why you haven't been talking. How'd you lose it? Hold on, let me take a bite of my hot dog. Hot dog. It's so delicious. It's so delicious. Oh. How'd you lose it? The hot dogs are falling. I'll move them to the side. Keep on unboxing. I don't got all day, you know. I ate a corn dog. Wait, what?
Ooh, a hot dog.
Do hot dogs make you not your voice box go away? Does it make your voice box go away? I ate some corn dogs.